कर रही हैं? Might be thinking in that way, isn't it? Okay, so let's have a quick reading on the board that what are we going to do today and understand the work as well. Clear? So as you all know, we are doing some sort of revisions of all the topics that we have done recently. Clear? So what are we going to do today? First, date. So today is 30th December 2020 and just today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow will be a new year, isn't it? Amazing, isn't it? Sound great? Okay, so we are going to study, or you can say we are going to revise the topic opposites. So what are we going to revise? Opposites. Yes. Now can anyone tell me what are opposites? I told you. So can anyone tell me what are opposites? That when we tell उल्टा, जब हमें किसी given word का उल्टा word बताना होता है या उसका दूसरा बताना होता है, that is called opposites. Yes. So earlier we have done this concept with the help of pictures, where ma'am has shown you different pictures of objects and we wrote their names. And while writing the name, after we did that, we understood what are opposites. Clear? So today we are going to have a revision of the topic. What are we going to do? I have already written some words here. So first we will read these words. After reading them, you will tell me the opposite word of these given words. Clear? I hope you have learned the work which was given in your book on page number 79 and page number 80. Last class में किया था when we learned about opposites. So आप लोगों ने 23rd को जब मैम ने ये वर्क कराया था तो we have learned, we have read these words and I have given you the work to learn also. तो learn कर लिए होंगे. Now first we are going to see which all words are given to us and then we will write their opposites. Understood? Okay. So the one first numbering to be done, notebook work बाद में बताएंगे. It is really compulsory to number your work. Understood? So one, big, 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 on. Next word is day. Then we have hard, happy, wet, open. Last one is fat. Clear? So they are very easy to read, to understand. Now what we have to do, one by one, we'll understand these words and write their opposites. Clear? अब जब भी हम opposite लिखते हैं, word के बाद you have to make a small arrow which says कि जो इसके सामने arrow करके word है, वो क्या है? इसका opposite है. So making this arrow is really very important and necessary while doing this work. Clear? So now the first word given to us is big. Now can anyone tell me what is the opposite of big? Big का opposite क्या होगा? You have done pre-numbers also. So big, small. Very good. So the opposite of big is small. Now can we have some examples here? Big is an elephant. Small is a mouse, or you can say big is a watermelon, small is an apple, isn't it? So if you are given these objects which is big in size, small in size, तो आपको immediately उसको pick करना है कि yes, big and small. Understood? So the word given is big. Opposite. What opposite should I write? Small. So how we are going to write? Small. Small. नीचे ऊपर. नाउ व्हाट टू बी रिटन ऑपोजिट, या तो वो ऊपर होता है या फिर what you are going to call that? The ball is on the table. The ball is under the table. Table के नीचे होना, under किसी चीज के नीचे, that means under. So when we are given the word on, opposite of on is under. Yes, so you are going to write it under. Clear everyone? On, under. Next we have day. Now see, when you wake up, अभी जब आप बाहर देखोगे, you can see clouds or there is a bright sunny day. Clouds भी होते हैं, isn't it? We can see everything. Everything is visible to us. But what is that time when we cannot see each and everything outside? जब बाहर कुछ देखने के लिए we need to switch on the light. Day में तो already automatically sun की light होती है. So what is the opposite of day? जब हमें अपनी खुद से light on करनी पड़ती है. Day, night. Yes, रात के टाइम जब आपको कहीं पे जाना होता है और if you want to travel somewhere, while if you are using your car, तो क्या करते हैं पापा? कार की headlights on करते हैं so that he can see. But when we are traveling in day time, अगर हम डे टाइम पे कार में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, so do you think कि हम लोगों को कार की हेडलाइट्स ऑन करने की नीड है? No. When we are sitting in the room, see now, when I am teaching you in the classroom, I have not switched on the lights. Lights नहीं है, ये जितनी भी आपको लाइट दिख रही है, it is naturally coming through the windows. वो विंडोज से आ रही है. Clear? So in the daytime we don't need to switch on the light. But अगर मैम आपको रात को कुछ पढ़ाएंगी या one thing, भाई मैम नहीं आएंगी, don't worry, डरो मत. If mama is asking you to sit and study at night, or if you want to watch a television at night, you have to switch on the light in the room, isn't it? So what is the opposite of day? दिन का opposite रात, that means night. Day, night. Understood? So the opposite of day is night. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, the next word we have is hard. So if you remember, I have given you some examples when we did this word earlier. Hard is this chalk. मैम इसको प्रेस कर रही हैं, तो क्या हो रहा है? ये दब रहा है? No. Soft is cake. You must have eaten a lot of cake on Christmas. So soft and spongy is the cake. Bread loaf, soft and spongy. Bread slice, जब आप उसको सैंडविच के लिए यूज करते हैं, जब वो अनकुक्ड होता है, मतलब जब हम उसको टोस्ट नहीं करते, वो सॉफ्ट होता है. सेम इज विद केक्स ऑल्सो, दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट. हार्ड होती है टेबल. सो कैन यू हियर दिस साउंड? जब हम किसी हार्ड चीज पे मारते हैं, से दिस एग्जाम्पल बोर्ड, आपको आवाज आ रही है? बिकॉज दिस इज हार्ड. अब अगर मैम किसी सॉफ्ट चीज पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेक माई हैंड एंड यू जस्ट नॉक योर हैंड, आवाज आ रही है? नो, बिकॉज इट इज सॉफ्ट. तो जब हम सॉफ्ट चीज पे बैंग करते हैं, हमें उतनी लाउड साउंड नहीं आती जैसे कि हम हार्ड चीज पे बैंग करने से आती है. क्लियर? सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हार्ड इज soft. Clear? What is the opposite of hard? Soft. Hard is your coconut shell. Coconut जो होता है, उसका जो बाहर का shell होता है brown color का, that is hard, isn't it? और soft bread loaf हो गया, cake हो गया, sponge हो गया, all these are soft. So we are going to write the opposite of hard is soft. Clear everyone? Now what is this? Happy. Yes. Now you all are happy. Vacations शुरू होने वाले हैं. अब अगर मैम बोलती है vacations नहीं होंगे, you have regular classes, एकदम से sad हो जाओगे आप, isn't it? मैम ने तो बोला था अब नहीं होंगी क्या वेकेशंस। सो व्हाट इज दैट, आप सैड हो गए एकदम से, isn't it? So when you come to know, wow, vacations, छुट्टियां आने वाली हैं, great। अब मैम आपको बोल दें कि फ्राइडे को आपकी क्लास लगेगी 1st of January, तो क्या होगा, सैड हो जाओगे। बट इफ आई से डोंट वरी, यू हैव हॉलीडेज, ओके, सो नाउ वेकेशंस आर गोइंग टू बिगिन, isn't it? So when you are happy, you enjoy, but when we are sad, हम उदास होते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है, हम एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते। सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हैप्पी इज सैड, वेरी गुड, sad, sad, clear everyone? Okay, next we have what, it, wet। wet क्या मीनिंग क्या होता है, it's an h sound word, you have learned it in h sound also। so wet means गीला, yes, whenever water spills on the bed, water spills on your clothes, आपके clothes पे पानी गिर जाता है, वो wet हो जाते हैं। then उसके बाद जब आप उसे सन में you go and you hang it in the sun, या आप उसको रूम में भी हैंग कर देते हो, what happens after some time, क्या होता है, it get dry, yes, so the opposite of wet is dry, गीला, सूखा, understood? So the opposite of wet is dry। this is how you will do। next we have open। so what is the meaning of open? open your books, open your notebooks, let's do the work। now you have to open your book on page number। जब मैम आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देती है तो क्या करते हो, आप बुक को क्या करते हो, खोलते हैं। अब बुक जब आप ओपन कर रहे हो तो बुक कैसे है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर बुक, नाउ दिस बुक इज, अब मैं बोल रही हूं ओपन योर बुक, ओपन, यू विल ओपन इट लाइक दिस, isn't it? अब ये क्या किया मैम ने बुक को, व्हाट आई हैव डन, क्लोज, यस, अब मैम ने बुक बंद कर दी है, दैट मीन्स क्लोज। सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ ओपन, क्लोज। like we say open the door, ठंड आ रही है, close the door, isn't it? या तो खोलना है या उसको बंद करना है, open the windows, close the windows। so what is the opposite of open, close। so here we have open and we'll write close, understood? okay, now last word we have is fat। can you tell me what is the meaning of fat? दो चूहे थे, मोटे मोटे थे, अब एक तो मोटा हो गया, दो तो मोटे हो गए चूहे। नाउ व्हाट इज द सॉरी, व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फैट, कैन यू टेल मी? अ फैट टेडी बेयर, यू रिमेंबर वी डिड दिस वर्ड, फैट टेडी बेयर, फैट, थिन, या तो मोटा या पतला। so when we are saying it for thin or patla, so what word you will use for that? Thin, yes, you will use the word thin। now how we are going to write that? thin, fat, thin, is that clear to everyone? okay, let me see, one more word is left for you। okay, we have done almost all। now let's have a quick revision of the words that we have done, big, small, bada, chota, then we did on, under, upar, on means upar, under means नीचे, day, night, दिन या रात, then we have hard, soft, या तो वो कैड़ा है या वो नरम है, then we have happy, खुश, sad, उदास, we have wet, गीला, dry, सूखा, open, खोलना, close, बंद करना। then what happened? We cry. Yes. So what is the opposite of laugh? Cry. Clear? This is how you will do opposites, learn, revision at home, writing them like this. Understood? So you want to see how to do this work in the notebook now? Let's begin. What you will do? Open your notebook. Write down date. Again, open your notebook. Okay? Write down today's date. Mention the topic. And then let's see how we are going to do this work in notebook. Okay? So class, now let's see how to do the work in notebook. What I have done, I have written all those words which were written on board in notebook here, and then we have to write the opposites of these words. Clear? So first thing, let's write today's date, 30th December 2020, and please mention classwork. Clear? And then we have to start writing their opposites. So the first one given is big. Opposite is small. On, what we have written? Under. Like this. Then next we have day. So the opposite of day is night. Now we have hard. What is the opposite of hard? Soft. Clear? Next is happy. So what is the opposite of happy? उदास होना, sad. Very good. Then we have wet. Wet. गीला. गीला का opposite सूखा. And what we call that? Dry. Open. Open means खोलना. So what is the opposite of open? Close. Then we have fat. What is the opposite of fat? Thin. Very good. Laugh. जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं हम जोर जोर से हंसते हैं, और जब हम बहुत उदास होते हैं we cry. Yes. Clear? So this is how you will do your today's work. Big, small, on, under, day, night, hard, soft, happy, sad, wet, dry, open, close, fat, thin, laugh, cry. It's your classwork. Now your homework, learn them. Not same as classwork. Repeatedly बस copy करने का कोई use नहीं है. You have to learn them. Is that clear to everyone? This is how you will do your work. So class, you have understood how you are going to finish down today's work. Learn, understand and then write. Clear? Rather understand, learn and then write. I have done it a little bit here and there. पहले आपको इन्हें समझना है. As I taught you in Hindi also, first you have to understand them. Then please learn them. And after learning only, it is beneficial to write. सिर्फ copy down करना is of no use. You should know their spellings. You should know their meaning. तभी आप उनको correctly लिख पाओगे. Is that clear? So first understand, then please learn and after that finish your work. Okay?